Hello everyone, this is Khalidun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Espresso machine. Comes to us with a broken grinder, so I just replaced it with a new grinder. For some reason, I don't know, this model, some of the machines like start coming over for broken grinders. So yeah, let's test it after replace. This is the old one, so let's test it with the new grinder and see how it works. I like to show it from here. So I set it up on 10. So I believe number 10 is the right grind size in here. But you know, it's like you can change it whatever you feel it's better, or you need the pressure tempered. It gives me a little bit more, but it's still okay. Yep, it's perfect. Okay, this is perfect double shot coming out from this Breville with thick crema. So let me test the hot water too. That works well. And let me see the steamer. That needs a little bit. The system has some water in there. So yeah, what I like to mention is like the best beans for this type of grinders is something dry but not very light, not super dark, but like the medium roast is good. The dry one is good for these grinders. Yeah, it's steaming perfect, so the machine functioning perfect now. Thank you for watching.